Welcome to our YouTube channel, Beyond Beaks, Tiny Companions with Enormous Hearts. A journey into the world of hamsters. Hamsters, those endearing, pocket-sized pets, have found a special place in the hearts of pet enthusiasts around the world. These small rodents, with their charming personalities, distinctive features, and manageable care requirements, make for delightful companions. This exploration into the world of hamsters delves into their biology, diverse species, behaviors, care considerations, and their role as beloved household pets. Biology and characteristics. Hamsters are small rodents belonging to the family Cricetidae. They are known for their compact size, round bodies, and distinct facial features. Hamsters come in various species, each with its own unique traits, but the most common pet hamsters include the Syrian hamster and the dwarf hamster. Diverse species. Among the various hamster species, the Syrian hamster Cricetidae auratus and the dwarf hamster Photopus spp are the most popular choices for pets. Syrian hamsters are known for their larger size and solitary nature, while dwarf hamsters are smaller, social creatures that often enjoy the company of their kind. Lifespan. In general, hamsters have a relatively short lifespan, typically living for 2 to 3 years. Their brief lives are filled with curiosity, energy, and opportunities for companionship. Habitat and range. In the wild, hamsters are found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. They inhabit underground burrows and are nocturnal creatures, meaning they are most active during the night. Social behavior. The social behavior of hamsters varies depending on the species. Syrian hamsters are solitary animals and prefer to live alone, while dwarf hamsters are social creatures that enjoy living in small groups. It is essential to consider the social nature of your hamster's species when choosing a companion or cage setup. Feeding habits. Hamsters are omnivorous, consuming a variety of foods, including seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. A balanced diet ensures their overall health. Commercial hamster pellets and fresh produce can form the basis of their diet. Care considerations. Providing proper care for your pet hamster is essential to ensure its well-being. This includes maintaining a clean habitat, offering fresh water, and providing opportunities for exercise. Hamsters also require proper bedding material and a hiding place to feel secure. Regular interaction and handling help strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. Reproduction. Hamsters reproduce relatively quickly. Gestation typically lasts around 16 days, and a mother hamster can have several litters per year. It's important to be prepared for the potential arrival of baby hamsters pups if you have a mixed-sex group. Cultural significance. Hamsters have made their way into popular culture and literature as beloved pets and characters. They are often featured in children's books and stories, where their endearing qualities and adventures are celebrated. Conservation status. In the wild, various hamster species are experiencing habitat loss and population decline due to agriculture, urbanization, and climate change. Conservation efforts aim to protect their natural habitats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these tiny but significant creatures. Hamsters, with their small stature and big personalities, bring joy and companionship to countless households around the world. Understanding and appreciating these delightful pets is essential to providing them with the care and love they deserve. Hamsters are not just tiny rodents, they are cherished family members, demonstrating the profound connections that can be formed between humans and animals, regardless of size. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel to get more videos.